Hi guys, another quick one from Advancing Car today. So this is a 2018 A6 3 litre V6 diesel. Now some of you might know or might not know that a lot of these come with a thing that's called a sound booster pod, and what it is along with the exhaust and everything, you've got like an extra little pod. On this one, it's located just around this sort of area, just off the side silencer. There's an extra bit of pipe that comes off pod. In there is a speaker. Now from factory, what that does is it's basically, it kind of, as the revs build and you're driving the car, it kicks out a sound and smooths out the kind of rattliness of the diesel that these make. And then what we have done today is we've fitted a little aftermarket module that speaks to that and then enables 6 new profiles, sound profiles that range from like kind of slightly throatier V6s and things through to like some V8s and then like a bit of a raughty V8 at the end. And then obviously you can then turn it off as well. So that's about it really. It comes with a little button that we've just fitted up in the back here, just in the little pocket, side pocket here, so you can just tweak it. Purely because, you know, if you've got one of these, you're going to set it to a sound and then leave it on that really, unless you did want it to just be off. But you then just flick through with the engine running, obviously, and then you can hear the differences. So what we'll do is we'll set the camera up and we'll just do some simple sound bites so you can just hear the difference just with a couple of revs, so you can hear that sound difference, and then leave it at that. This is normal. This is number 1. This is number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. And turn off. These can be fitted on other cars like the SQ5s and I think some of the other S models, I think. Yeah, if you're interested in this sort of thing, get in touch, check out the website and things, and we'll see what we can do for you. Thanks for watching.